Okay, we're on Final Cut Pro here. Now, I ran into an issue where my scroll bar here was missing, and I figured out how to fix that. So if you are running into this problem, this is the fix. So what you want to do is when you have Final Cut Pro open and you're editing, you're going to need to go up to the top left, and click on that Apple icon. Then go to System Settings. Then when your system settings pops up, you're going to want to go right there to Appearance, and then make sure that Show Scroll Bars is selected to Always, because mine was selected here. And if you notice, the scroll bar is missing. Click it on Always, and then it shows up. If this was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.